Hey guys, in this video I want to talk about the sign after, or actually the way that we use it in English that we don't use it in ASL. So to start with, this is the sign after, but I don't want you to ever use that again. I tried to think of a good way that you could use the sign after, that I could say use it for this and not for this, but I can't think of one way that you do it unless the person that you're signing with is very English and you have to use it in that order. So in that case, that would be totally fine, but in ASL, it's not used. So if you were to say, after I get off of work, I'm going to the store. So instead of signing after work, which is our tendency because we use it like that in English, you will sign, okay? So work, finish, me, go, store. Okay, so work, finish, me, go, store. So you're saying this is the action. Once it's completed, then this is what I'll do. So that is the way that you will break up your sentences in ASL using finish instead of after.